my channel. It's your girl Casheamonete, and I'm back again with another video. If you're new, hey pooh, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe because we lit over here. Okay, we're on the road to now 2K, so subscribe. Don't forget to turn on post notifications. Okay, but today I am here with a cleaning my beauty room video because it is well needed. If y'all been watching my vlogs, y'all know this room been looking a mess for the past couple weeks, if you want to be honest, because ever since I've been back from my trip, it's been a mess. I haven't even unpacked, so we're gonna unpack, clear off my desk. If y'all can see, it looks a mess. Just gonna get to it. I bought some new hangers. I bought a new rack that's here. It's more modern and cute. This one, if you watch my vlogs, I said it's been falling on the floor. Get it together. So first thing I want to start with, I think I'm gonna just start hanging stuff up because I'm gonna show y'all these new hangers that I got. The new hangers that I got, it's 32 of them. I'm not sure if that's enough. If not, then I'm gonna have to go to TJ Maxx tomorrow and grab me some more. That's where I got these ones from, and then they're the same as these. So that's what I'm gonna do. I have a whole chair full of clothes. My luggage, I took out all my dirty clothes from my luggage and been washed them, so this stuff is clean, so it can go right on the hanger. I'm about to start putting this stuff on hangers. I have my stuff organized like black, white, tan, and whatever, so I think I might still do that. If not, I'll let you guys know, but we finna get into it, okay? Before I start, I want to show you guys the room. This is how it looks. If you haven't seen it already, this never looks like this. It's really more organized. My purses looks a mess. Like, I just be throwing purses on there now. Jackets that don't fit on the rack because it's too heavy. I have a whole luggage of stuff and a whole chair full of stuff. And my desk is just like terrible. And then I got stuff over here. I couldn't even do my makeup on here, so it's been bad, y'all. So this is gonna be looking different. So yeah. Y'all, I want to get some new flowers for this. I'll probably get some white ones. I think that would be cute in here. This mirror from Amazon, for some reason it do not like stay on for a very long time, so I'll probably get a new one. Not that brand though. Yeah, so I finished my vanity area. Now I'm onto this luggage. As you can see, I put some stuff on the hangers, so I'm just gonna empty this out. Purses, a purse rack, another purse rack, because obviously it's not working out with the organization for the rack, so that's what I'm have to do. This clothes that like new clothes that I just bought, kind of. Obviously I have a whole closet of clothes in my room, and that's where I keep like my hoodies, and I have leggings and my drawers and stuff like that. These are like, I come in here and get cute clothes in there too, but like I said, these are more like newer clothes that I need to wear, because otherwise they'll get mixed up with the other ones and then they'll never be worn. That's what's kind of going on with that. So I have all these bottoms here. This was super cute. I never got a chance to wear this, but I'll probably wear it in like a picture or something, upcoming picture. But yeah, I'm just about to clear this out, and then I'm gonna hang this stuff up, and then yeah, I'll get back to y'all. Y'all just gonna be seeing me do it. Boy, you know you make me float. Boy, you really get me high. Ooh. So now I'm adding on everything from this raggedy rack to this one, and I might need another one. Honestly, we just gonna see how this goes. I think I'm gonna put this in my room. When I hold you close, let's take this overboard. I want you to we 100% made some progress. This one, you gotta go. It's very just like inconveniencing. Not, I don't know. It just wasn't giving me what I needed no more. So I'm gonna tear this one apart when I get time. I don't really know where I want him. I've heard this one this one. Oh, now stroke it, baby, stroke it for me, stroke it for me, stroke it for me, stroke it for me, stroke it, baby. Now we're here because I have tons of stuff on this floor. Now I want to put some of this stuff in my bedroom closet, so I'm just sort that stuff out. This is a dress I never even worn. Put this stuff up and then I'm gonna get back to y'all because this area will probably be scared. And then we'll probably organize the purses a little bit. So if that's I've been holding back this frequently. I probably shouldn't tell it, but if I let you go, you need to go. Are you responsible? Cause I'm not just in it right. As you can see, I am able to sit back in my chair. We got a little bit accomplished, but as y'all can see in the back, did not get around to my purses, but I did find this bookshelf bookcase thing on IKEA, and I'm gonna put it on a screen, and I'm thinking about getting it because I think that would be perfect for my bags. This one from Amazon, and I honestly think that it's just not sturdy enough for my bags, and then on top of that I just have too many, and the shelves are like very narrow and like just little, so I want to get the one from IKEA. That'll be in a whole different video. I'll probably order that online, so I'm not even gonna touch the bags because then they just gonna irritate me and I don't have nowhere to put the ones that don't fit. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was motivating. Hope you guys get up and clean your house or your room. I'm telling you, I feel so much better since I cleaned up. Like, cleaning up really changes your mood. So get up and clean what you gotta clean. Get up and do what you gotta do, period. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now we're on the road to 2K. Don't forget to turn on post notifications. Love you all. Bye.